Good afternoon. This is Sandeep Rathod, and today we are discussing the topic probability. Probability means the possibility. Possibility means which which if we are trying to find out the possibilities, what can be the possibility of an event to occur. For example, we can think whether it may rain tomorrow or may not rain tomorrow. Now, the possibility how we are measuring whether it may rain tomorrow or may not rain tomorrow is actually the possibility. Or we can say probability is a measure of a likelihood of an event to occur. And to solve or to measure this likelihood, to find out or to measure the likelihood of an event, we are given with a formula which is the probability of an event to happen, that is PE. Here PE is the probability of an event, where E represents an event. For any event to happen, we are given with the formula that the number of favorable outcomes divided by or upon the total number of outcomes. Now here we need to understand what is favorable outcome and what is the total number of outcomes. So let us learn the favorable outcome and total number of outcomes with the help of an example. Let's take an example of a coin, and we are tossing the coin, and what we get, what are the possibilities whether we may get head or a tail. So if I will toss a coin, it is possible that either I will get a head or a tail. Now this head and this tail together, these are the total number of an outcomes if we will toss a coin. Now what is favorable outcome? The favorable means if someone will say, or if the question will ask us, find out the probability of an head. Now what is favorable? The favorable is what what the question is, what the question wants us to solve. Now here, if the question wants find the probability of an head, so this head is our favorable outcome, and these favorable outcomes we will get from the total number of outcomes. From the total number of outcomes, we will uh, count how many times the head comes and what are the total number of outcomes from which we are getting this head. So here head is 1, so I can write 1 upon the total number of outcomes. Here the total number of outcomes means 1 and 2. Again we need to count how many time what are the total outcomes. Head is 1 and tail is another 1. So the probability of an head is 1 upon 2. This way we can find out the favorable number of outcomes and the total number of outcomes in any question. Let us take few other events which we will counter when now here in the probability many events cannot be predicted with the total certainty. Now this is for sure that when I was saying that it may rain tomorrow or may not tomorrow, now this is uncertainty, then that simply means most of the events in the probability cannot be predicted. These cannot be predicted with the total certainty. But when we get the probability as a 0 or 1, that means that particular event is certain. Now here 0 means uncertain event, that is an impossible event. This cannot happen. And probability 1 will depict that it indicates a certain event. That means this event will happen and will happen surely will happen. So let us take an example. How can we find impossible event or a certain event. Let's take an basket having, let it be, it is having a 10 number of lemons in the basket, and someone will say us find the probability of an lemon. Now here, if we will see, we need to find out the probability of an lemon, and here we know that again the probability is favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. And as already told you that here the favorable outcomes, sorry, here is a total, already told you the favorable outcome is what we need to solve. Now here we need to find out the lemon, the probability of lemon. So we will count the number of lemons in this basket, and suppose we are having 10 lemons in it, so let us write 10. Now what is the total number of outcomes? Again here the total number of lemons are again 10, so I will again write 10. Now what we will get? We will get 1 as an answer. That means in any way, if we need to find out the probability of lemons from this very particular basket, we will certainly get a lemon. So the probability here is 1. Now again, if someone will say us find out mango, find out the probability of a mango from this very particular basket, probability of a mango from this basket. Now here, if we will see, if someone will say to find out the probability of a mango, we are not able to find any mango in this basket. So here the favorable outcome is mango, and here the number of mango is 0. So 0 upon total number of outcomes. Now here the total number is, we simply need to count it again, and the total is 10. So 0 upon 10, and we know anything divided by 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. Hence the probability here is 0. Thank you.